If you've ever wondered how to get the best responses from AI models, whether you're an entrepreneur, a marketer, or someone who simply wants to supercharge their productivity, this is the video you've been waiting for. Imagine having an AI-powered proactive business partner that is completely free. You'll be able to bring out a revolutionary recipe that turns ChatGPT into an extremely powerful ally for your business to succeed with the advanced prompt I'll be sharing today. And the best part? I'm not just talking about it. I'm going to show you how it's done in real time. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Recipe. Today, I'm diving into prompt engineering, the ultimate game changer for anyone desiring to utilize AI for business. It's tremendously practical and interesting. By the end of this video, I'll share an exclusive advanced prompt that will transform AI into your personal business partner, leading your projects with strategic insights. This prompt can work for any business, and it will change how you approach planning and execution forever. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. So what is prompt engineering? Simply put, it's the art of crafting questions or prompts to get the most effective answers from AI models like ChatGPT, whether you're creating content, automating tasks, or building your own AI-powered tools. Mastering this skill can save you tons of time and efforts. All right, let's get started with the powerful techniques to help you engineer better prompts and get the most out of your AI. These will make a massive difference if you feel like you're not quite getting the output you need. Technique number 1. Be specific and clear. When it comes to prompt engineering, specificity is key. The more details you provide, the better the output. Vague inputs lead to vague outputs. So let's jump right into it on my computer screen. Instead of saying, "Help me with marketing," try, "Create a 3-step digital marketing strategy to attract 25 to 35-year-olds interested in fitness within a budget of $1,000. Think of it like programming. The clearer the instructions, the smoother the output. You're guiding the AI, not just asking it. Another example, let's type a vague prompt. Explain AI. All right, so here's what we got. Not bad, but it's pretty general, right? The response is straightforward, but doesn't really give us any specifics or depth. If I were an entrepreneur wanting to explore how AI could impact my business, this wouldn't be enough to go on. So let's try refining this prompt with a bit more direction and specificity to get a response that's truly actionable. Let's type a specific prompt. Give a simple explanation of artificial intelligence, including its definition and 2 real-world applications. Now, look at the difference. By being specific and asking for 2 real-world applications, we get a response that's not only clearer, but also gives us practical examples. This is the kind of depth that's useful if you're looking to understand how AI can apply directly to real-life situations. Moving forward to technique number 2. Use role assignments. One powerful way to get richer outputs is by assigning roles to the AI. Instead of asking for a blog post, ask it to take on the role of a content strategist or SEO expert. This way, the AI approaches the task from a specific perspective. For example, instead of saying, "Write a blog post about digital marketing," go with this prompt. As a content strategist and SEO expert, write a blog post about digital marketing for small businesses. Focus on low-budget strategies with SEO best practices included, and outline 3 actionable tips for beginners that will help increase online visibility and attract potential customers. Here you go. Check the quality of the response. It is more structured than what we could get with that vague prompt about writing a blog post about digital marketing. This makes the AI think and respond more like an expert in that field, giving you deeper, more insightful results. Let's move on to technique number 3. Create step-by-step instructions, break down your requests into manageable steps. Instead of asking, "How to run Facebook ads?" Guide the AI by writing. Write a step-by-step guide on how to set up a Facebook ad campaign for beginners covering audience targeting, budget setup, and ad creation. This structure helps the AI provide a comprehensive response and reduces confusion and improves the overall response. The more structured your prompt, the more thorough and accurate the AI's response. Think of it as leading a brainstorming session, step by step. Notice how breaking it down step by step makes the AI follow a clear structure, making the content easy to read and implement. Let's test this with one more prompt. Let's write a general prompt. Write about SEO. Okay, so we've got a basic explanation of SEO here, but notice how general it is? If I'm looking for a quick overview, this response is fine. But if I want a detailed, actionable guide, I'll need to ask in a way that specifies each element I want included, like keyword research or backlink building. Let's see what happens when we write a step-by-step prompt. Write a step-by-step guide on how to improve a website's SEO, including keyword research, on-page optimization, and backlink building. See the difference? This step-by-step prompt gave us a detailed, structured response that's actually actionable. Each section, keyword research, on-page optimization, and backlink building, is broken down with clear guidance on what to do next. Instead of just defining SEO, the AI is now walking us through the specific steps, giving us a roadmap we can follow to improve a website's ranking. This is the power of being detailed with your prompts. You get responses that go deeper and have real value. Next up, technique number 4, experiment and iterate. This technique is one that every AI user should remember. Sometimes you won't get the perfect response on the first try. That's okay. Adjust your prompt, tweak a few words, and try again. Example. Let's start with a simple prompt. Describe the benefits of AI. That's not quite what we're looking for. Let's refine it by making edits to the existing command rather than giving a new command. This helps the AI recognize recent updates, retaining the latest details in your account's memory space. Editing existing commands is especially useful for advanced, long brainstorming sessions with ChatGPT, just like the one we'll dive into at the end of this video. And if you're curious about how ChatGPT's memory works and benefits you during brainstorming sessions, stay tuned. I'll be covering it in future videos, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Alright, coming back to refining the prompt. List 5 specific benefits of using AI in e-commerce with examples. You can see how small adjustments lead to big improvements. Let's experiment with one more example, and then I'll reveal the most powerful prompt you all are waiting for. Let's see what kind of response we get with a general prompt like, "Tell me about digital marketing." Notice how the answer we receive is broad and might not go into the depth or specifics we're looking for. It's useful, but it doesn't quite deliver the targeted information a business owner might need. Now, compare that to a refined prompt. Describe 3 main components of digital marketing, SEO, content marketing, and social media marketing, with examples for each. With this approach, we're guiding the AI to provide detailed insights into key areas, making the response much more actionable and directly applicable to our goals. Now, take a look at the difference with this refined prompt. See how much more structured and valuable the answer is? Instead of a broad overview, we're getting focused insights on each component: SEO, content marketing, and social media marketing, along with specific examples. This approach not only provides depth, but also makes it easier to apply directly to real-world strategies. This is the advantage of a well-crafted prompt. It guides the AI to deliver responses that are clear, comprehensive, and immediately useful. Alright, now that you've mastered the basics of prompt engineering, let's take things to the next level. I promised you something extraordinary at the start, and here it is. An exclusive, advanced prompt that turns your AI into a personal business consultant. This isn't just for one type of business, but any business you can think of. Let's break it down. This advanced prompt is designed to lead you through every aspect of building and scaling your business, from planning to marketing and beyond. Here's the template. It says, "I am looking to build a comprehensive development plan for my business. Replace the industry with the industry you are in. In my case, I'll choose e-commerce." Together, we will explore every critical aspect needed to establish and grow the business, including business planning, legal requirements, product or service development. Since I have a product business, so I'll remove service from here. Brand development, online presence, physical or digital setup. I'll remove physical from here since I don't have a physical store. Customer acquisition strategies, digital marketing, operations, and financial management. I aim to leverage your expertise, insights, and guidance to navigate each step effectively. Your knowledge will be instrumental in achieving objective. Replace it with your objective. Let's say my objective is to get 1,000 orders a day in 3 months. My business will focus on selling offering. Since I don't have a service to offer, let's remove offering. Product niche or service. Replacing it with my product, sneaker shoes. Targeting male, female, kids, adults, individuals or group, whatever. Since I have products for all genders, let's replace it with all genders. within the age range of 20 to 45, located in California, USA. My ideal audience will have interests in running, gym, workouts, hiking, and outdoor sports. Additionally, I would like you to take on the following roles beyond being an expert ChatGPT prompt. Let's replace role 1 with digital marketing strategist, role 2 with product designer, role 3 with trend analyst, role 4 with, let's say, customer service manager, role 5 with e-commerce legal advisor, and so on. You can even add more roles if you want to, but for demonstration purposes, I will keep it with 5 roles. To ensure a thorough understanding of all the details outlined, please ask me a series of multiple choice questions or MCQs, one at a time, allowing me to choose the best answers. Begin with fundamental topics such as branding like business name, color palette, logo, etc., and business objectives, and continue through all domains until everything is covered in depth. Throughout this process, I expect constructive feedback on my performance to help me continuously improve. You will be assuming the roles I have assigned to you, alongside your function as an expert ChatGPT prompt. Your comprehensive support will be essential in developing this plan and executing it successfully. Let's work together to make a meaningful impact. Now, folks, get ready to experience the magic of powerful prompt that will develop your very own personal guided business partner with multiple capabilities and the potential you never imagined before. Now, let's copy and paste this powerful prompt into ChatGPT window and see how it goes. Perfect. As per the guidelines, it begins with asking MCQs related to branding, where we simply need to reply with the correct or most reasonable answer by stating only the letter of the chosen option. No additional text or explanations are necessary, just the letter representing your response. However, if the provided options are not relevant or matched with your preferences, you can respond with your own details related to the question. All right, so the first question is, what type of brand identity do you envision for your sneaker business? Let's respond it with the option A that says, modern and sleek, focusing on high performance and innovation. And it responded, great choice. A modern and sleek brand identity focusing on high performance and innovation will resonate well with your target audience, especially those interested in running, gym workouts, and outdoor activities. This sets the stage for creating a brand that reflects advanced technology, quality, and a forward-thinking image. You see, it's not only asking relevant questions for brainstorming, but also giving feedback for each response. And the next question is, what color palette would you prefer for your brand to support this identity? And from these options, I will choose B. Navy blue, white, and metallic gray for a professional and performance-driven appeal. And this brainstorming session will keep going and it will ask dozens of questions. And after that, it will lead you through all the stages and make the best planning for your business you can ever imagine. Notice how easy that was. The AI is now guiding me through each step, asking the right questions, saving hours of planning, and offering a clear roadmap. And this isn't limited to just one industry. Whether you're in tech, fashion, services, or even a nonprofit, you can adapt this to any niche by adjusting the details and let the AI guide you. This advanced prompt is a game changer because it allows AI to think strategically for you. Instead of you feeding every command, the AI will lead the planning. All you have to do is answer the questions it asks, making your business planning smoother, faster, and more effective. It's like having a team of experts, digital marketers, trend analysts, AI experts, and more, all in one place, and they're guiding you towards success. You're not just asking for help, you're empowering the AI to be proactive. So just don't wait any longer, and try this technique for your own business today. The full prompt template link is in the description, so grab it now. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends, and click on the notification bell. We'll keep bringing you more tutorials and practical guides to help you navigate the digital world like a pro. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep exploring.